Typing all day in 2025? Your wrists deserve better. We tested the best ergonomic keyboards, from split mechanical beasts to wave-shaped wireless wonders, to find out which ones actually help. Whether you're coding, writing, or just trying to avoid wrist pain, these picks are built to support your hands and upgrade your comfort without sacrificing style or speed. Logitech ERGO K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. This was a fan favorite for a reason. The split curved layout aligns your wrists and forearms naturally, reducing strain during long typing sessions. The padded wrist rest is built in and covered with stain-resistant fabric, and the keyboard supports Bluetooth and USB receiver connections. It works across Windows, Mac OS, and iPad OS, and includes Logitech Flow for switching between devices. Battery life? Up to 2 years on a single AA. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Logitech Wave Keys for Mac. Designed specifically for Apple users, this keyboard features a gentle wave-shaped layout that encourages a relaxed wrist position. The cushioned palm rest adds comfort, and it supports Bluetooth pairing with up to 3 devices. It's optimized for Mac, iPad, and Apple devices, making it perfect for hybrid workflows. The layout is intuitive, and the keys are quiet, great for shared spaces. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Perixx PERIBOARD-624B Wireless Ergonomic Split Keyboard. This one's all about flexibility. It features a fully split layout with up to 30 feet of wireless separation, so you can position each half exactly where your arms feel most natural. The adjustable tilt angle helps reduce forearm pronation, and the low-profile membrane keys offer quiet typing. It's ideal for users who want a customizable ergonomic setup without going mechanical. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Keychron Q11 QMK/VIA TKL Split Mechanical Keyboard. This is the enthusiast's dream. It's a wired split mechanical keyboard with hot swappable red switches, RGB backlighting, and full QMK VIA programmability. The aluminum frame and PBT keycaps give it a premium feel, and the 75% layout keeps it compact while still functional. Ideal for gamers, coders, and tinkerers who want ergonomic comfort without sacrificing performance. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Seenda KUW01 Wired Ergonomic Keyboard, a budget-friendly option with flair. It features a split layout, cushioned wrist rest, and 7-color backlighting. You get USB-A and Type-C connectivity, making it compatible with Windows, Mac OS, laptops, and desktops. The full-size layout with numpad is great for office work, and the quiet keys make it ideal for shared spaces. Check the description below for product links and best prices. From fully split layouts to cushioned wrist rests and hot swappable switches, these ergonomic keyboards bring the comfort and control you need. We broke down the features so you can find the one that fits your hands and your workflow. Check the description below for product links and best prices. And subscribe.